A fiduciary is somebody who has a legal duty to put the interests of someone else above their own interest. That is a unique obligation under the law. In fact, it's been called the highest duty under the law. I commonly sue fiduciaries on behalf of my clients, and I also represent fiduciaries who have been sued. Well, how do you prove a breach of fiduciary duty claim? Well, the elements are first the existence of a fiduciary duty. And courts do not lightly impose fiduciary obligations. They're only in certain circumstances. In the estate litigation cases that I handle, that most often comes up with trustees, with executors or administrators of an estate, or with an agent under a power of attorney. In those situations, those people all owe fiduciary duties. But sometimes a fiduciary duty can arise under a situation of extreme confidence, a confidential relationship, sometimes between family members, or with an elderly person where they trust somebody, often a close family member, to do things for them. That can impose a fiduciary obligation, an informal fiduciary obligation. Well, the second element is that you must show that the fiduciary breached their obligation. And once again, that is a unique obligation under the law, because the fiduciary oftentimes has to show that they put the interest of their principal above their own interest. It essentially flips the burden of proof to where they show that they did everything proper and they didn't put their own interest above the person that they're owing the duty to. And the next two elements, causation and damages, are related. You must show that the fiduciary caused some harm, and then if you want monetary damages, you must show the actual amount of the damages that were caused. And typically with a trustee or with an agent under power of attorney or an executor, you would show a misapplication or a misspending of trust or estate property. These are very complex issues. So if you're involved in a case involving a fiduciary, or you need to hold a fiduciary accountable, please give me a call.